How have you been?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. And how have you been?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. So, yeah,
And how
thanks
is
for
your
asking.
practice going on?
Actually, I didn't practice last 1 month and I had some problem. My daughter has their problem. So that's why I didn't practice anything. But yeah, I'm satisfied. Like it's a learning journey. So it's good.
Yes, yes. Yes, I know properly. It is so difficult for learning this language. Actually, being a family member, being a housewife, you have a lot of work in your house, and you have a children. That's why also you have to do a lot of things in your family. Yeah, but right now also you are learning this language as well as you are running your YouTube channel. Yeah, it is also so difficult. I know properly because being a family member, I have a lot of work in my family. I am working person. Yeah, I know properly.
Okay, sir. So tell me more thing about you. Like nowadays, what are you doing and how's your practice? How's going your day?
Yes, my practice is going on very well. Whenever I get free time, I always try to make this kind of video for my improving my speaking skill. I know to learn any language, always you have to follow four rules: LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Four things are very important. But most important, according to me, listening and speaking. Both are very important. Yeah, that's why whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video in English for improving my listening power and improving my speaking power. Always I make this kind of video.
Yeah, nice, nice.
And ma'am, I have to make this kind of video with you maybe two or three times. I know very well about yourself. So first of all, please say something about you about for my viewers.
Sorry, you can repeat?
Yes, first of all, please say something about yourself for my viewers.
Okay. So as you know, my name is Preeti. I am from UP district Mau. Currently, I am living in Greater Noida. And if I talk about my journey, so I am learning this language last 1 year, and I am a homemaker. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have done graduation, and that's all about me. Thanks for asking.
Yes, yes, it is good to know about yourself. And ma'am, you have completed your graduation, but in which subject you have completed your graduation?
From home science.
Home science. Yes, yes. And I have asked so many questions and before also two videos, but I am asking another new questions. And ma'am, do you have do you have any goal in your life?
Yes, I have one goal, and it is a specific goal because I want to become a good speaker. And apart from that, you can say as well as I am teaching, I'm starting teaching. So I'm running teaching classes and YouTube channel. And apart from that, only I want to achieve my fluency in this language. So this is my goal.
Yes, yes. Teaching is the good way for learning any language. Yeah, you also teaching. And do you teach English subject or anything else?
No, actually here these are students. These are students. So all students in English medium and nursery to eighth class. So it's my responsibility to manage all subject. So I teach all subject.
And you have a children, and do you and right now and you have a children, and are they going to English medium schools?
No, actually I don't send school because my daughter has some health issues and their body like. Whenever she is sick, so their body doesn't benefit allopath medicine. So that's
Yes,
why
yes.
I'm suffering in this problem. So that's why I didn't send school. But in future I will send definitely, but first I have to treatment there then.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, my next question is: do you teach in this room because there is a white blackboard behind you?
Yeah, I teach over in this room. but I didn't teach in this blackboard, whiteboard. And this board is purchased 6 months before, but this board is very small, so that's
Yes,
why
yes.
I can't write proper. So that's why I teach only pen and copy.
Yes, yes. I earlier I before joining the hospital I used to teach at my home as a private tutor in mathematics subject. Yeah, and in my teaching room there was a white blackboard. Yeah, that's why also I am asking to you these kind of questions.
Okay.
And ma'am, the summer season is going on, and how is the weather in your state?
Yeah, weather is good, right? Nowadays it's good, but after 1 month and 15 days, you can say the weather is will be hot.
Yes, yes, definitely. Yes. And my next question is right now for improving your English skill and what kind of method do you follow? Right now also you are making this kind of video and apart from that, what do you do for improving your English skill?
Actually, as I told you, like I didn't practice anything last 1 month, but you can say from 2 days I speaking like taking class like session only, and apart from that, only I used to listen and to practice in my mind and think in English. And these are only
Uh,
apply, but you can say as I want to improve, so I didn't get any improvement, but definitely when my life will be good, so then I will describe my things like I have to learn level up. But nowadays I am stopped my journey.
yes, yes. Definitely after a few 1 or 2 months you will improve a lot. Yeah, that time at that time also definitely we will practice. And my next question is, and do you like reading? Do you like reading English newspaper? Do you like reading English story book?
No, actually I don't like reading book, and I'm not habitual in getting a reading book, and because I didn't so much time. Whenever I free, so that time I read one page, 2 page, but it's not possible for me to read book. And in the night time only I learning this language. I learn this language in night time, so in the whole day I was busy, so that's why.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I am also a busy person. I don't get free time. Yeah, that's why also I don't like reading. It is boring to me. I am not a fond of reading book. That's why, but reading is also important for improving your new vocabulary. Yeah, if you read English newspaper, if you read English story book, definitely will improve your vocabulary skill. Vocabulary part is also important for learning this language. And I belong to village area, and I know properly I don't have a lot of vocabulary in my brain. Yeah, while speaking English, I get stuck, lack of vocabulary. And do you face this kind of problem?
Yes, initial stage I was facing a lot of problem.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually,